Hello teacher, my name is Jiang and I am a teacher, also the head of the training department at Vivo English Center. And today I will make this video to help you guys to how to create the game, control and organize the game on Zoom, and how to use some technique when you try to teach the student via Zoom. And now I will try to show you to do some tune on Zoom. You can try to do some tune on Zoom like this. Look at this one. You can create, you know how to make the new meeting, right? So I want to show you some technique that you can use in this one. First one, you have to make sure that the camera is very clear. The camera is very clear, and when you teach the kids, you always have to record your lesson. Alright, and then maybe all of you know how to share the screen, right? But I got some notes for you that you should know. That is, as you can see that I use my earphone, and some teacher also use some headphone and use some microphone to try to teach the student. But when you use the earphone and the headphone, you have to make sure that the student can hear the audio that you open on your computer, because that's when you use the earphone and the headphone, the student cannot, when you open some video, some audio, student cannot listen your audio, cannot listen to the sound. So how to fix that one? Okay, so if you want to fix a problem with the sound when you use the earphone or headphone, you can see when you share the screen. When you try to share the screen, you can see something. When you share the screen, you can see when you click on more. You can click on more and you can see the tune share sound. You click on that one, so you can see the icon here. So this one to make you know that the sound of the audio or the video that you turn on your laptop, the student can hear that sound. So that is some notes that you need to focus on about the sound and the microphone when you try to teach the student. And the next one is the share the screen. And I got some tip for you, very funny tip for you to teach the student via Zoom. You can click on share the screen. For example, I will try to click on share the screen of the game that I just create before. Look, I will try to click on this game. And look, when you organize this game for students, you can let the student play the game by themselves. Okay, so to show you how to share the screen to the student, I have to ask someone to join in the Zoom to show you how to create the activity on the Zoom for the student. You can look at this. You can look at it. You can try to share the screen on this. You can try to share the screen, and when you share the screen, you can see the toolbar on this one. You can move the toolbar to anywhere that you want. Okay, for the annotate, you can try to drawing something on the screen. You can note something on the screen for the student, and you can clear all the thing after that. And don't forget to close it to try to keep control the screen. Okay, so look, when you look at this one, you can share the remote control, give mouse or keyboard control to the student. When you click on this one, you can ask the student to click on the correct picture that you want. Okay, so now listen to me. Go swimming. Which picture is go swimming? Can you click on go swimming? Yeah, good job. That is go swimming. That is very great. Do karate. Can you click on the picture do karate? Yeah, that is the student do, not am I clicking. Students are clicking on my screen, not me. Alright? Go skating. Let you click on go skating. Yeah, that is very great. Okay, that is the way that you share the remote control for the student. And there are some notes that you need to know, that is, if the student using iPhone, they cannot you cannot share the remote control for the student who use a device like iPhone, iPad, laptop, and others phone, that they can use the remote control, but only iPhone cannot use. Alright, and for some students that cannot use the remote control, you can try to you annotate, you mark on the picture and ask them to answer the picture yes or no. So maybe you look at this picture, go camping. Is it go camping? Yes or no? Is it go camping? Yes or no? Is it go camping? Yes or no? And if the student giving out the correct answer, you can try to click on the correct picture for the student, something like that. And alright, so that is how to you can organize the game on Zoom, and how can you giving out the remote control for the student. And when you try to stop this one, you can let the student play another game on the list that you can organize this. And one more thing that you need to know, that when you share the screen and you use the PowerPoint slideshow, like this, for example, when you use a slideshow with the PowerPoint, you share the screen, and when the student try to play the game, when you click link the game like this, and your laptop will open the website of the game, you need to create the new share. You need to clear the new set, because that you can see that the screen now is still on Zoom now, still share the slide of the PowerPoint, not the slide of the not share the screen of the game that you want the student to play. So you need to make the new share to share the screen of the game. Actually, that you can set the screen, but I think that's when you set the screen, uh, something that cannot showing up, or maybe when you open something that will cover the screen, so the student cannot see the screen clear. So I advise you that you should share the screen of the tool that you need the student want to see, not share your whole screen. Not share your whole screen. If you want to share the PowerPoint, only share the PowerPoint. If you want to share the game, only share the game. Not share the full screen of your laptop, because that maybe when uh, when when there you have some notice, or you have some message, and it's showing up on your screen, the student also see that. So I don't think that is good. So you just share the thing that you want the student see. Okay. So when you share the screen here and it's showing up the link, you open the link, and you need to create the new share to let the student can see the screen of the game. This is the video to help you guys can try to create the game, and how to control, organize the game, give the remote control for the student when you use Zoom to try to teach the student. Hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching.